We will be talking to a lot of people today, starting now. Starting this 10 o'clock webinar. Welcome to everyone who's joined us. We do 3 webinars because we want to cover everybody who has a problem with time zones, right? So let me just show you a picture of myself. This week, I took this photo this week when I was doing this seminar in Singapore. So ako po si Jomar Hilario, and it has been my pleasure to teach people how to go to the next level of earning income from the internet. So of everyone in our guest list who's attending our webinar today, are you interested in earning the next level of online income? Pakisabi sa chat room, yes, if that is something you're interested in, because that's essentially our topic all day long. And actually, we've been talking about this topic for a few years now. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So, tingnan natin ang sagot nila sa chat room kung sumasagot. Ayan, nag-yes. Very good. So, with us today, our esteemed guest, madami po tayong guest. We have Dayan, 5 May, si Joy, si June Dance, si Michael, si Ronnie. Yan. And I don't know if you've seen a webinar that's 1 hour long, but has so many guests. That's because we want to show you the inside information. Who wants to know the inside information sa buhay ng virtual careers journey? Ayan. That's very important. Let me just explain to you what I mean by that. The virtual careers journey is not something that's fixed. It's something that moves from, start, ongoing, problems, resolution, problems, solution, problems, solution. Ganun ang journey, di ba? The journey is not a straight line. It's something that curves and it starts and stops. You get tired, you get bored, you restart, you recommit, you do it again. Tama ba? Do you agree, everyone? Until you reach a certain point na, okay, gusto ko yan. Di ba? Ito ko na. Totoo na to. Di ba? Sabi mo, totoo na to, hindi na ako nagbibiro. So that's a virtual careers journey. And the problem with most success stories you hear online, sino dito nakikinig ng mga webinar at mga podcast ng mga very successful people? Usually, you find them in a state na very unreachable. Tama ba? Yung, nagawa na nila yung gusto nilang gawin, parang hindi mo na sila maabot kasi ang galing-galing na nila. Yes? Who agrees with that? Pag nakakarinig kayo mga interviews, mga seminars, yung mga speaker nyo ang gagaling-galing na, right? And it's easy to say, hindi kasi ang galing na nila eh. Kaya sila naging ganon. Kasi when you discover them, they were really, really wildly successful already. So that normally discourages us from following. But today is going to be extremely unique because you have people who are in the journey, who are not 2 million miles away from you. They are still in your level. So give it up to, I will introduce them isa-isa. Si Dayan. Hi, Dayan.
Hi, Sir Jomar. Good morning.
Dayan, do you have a presentation or tatanungin na lang kita?
Pwedeng siguro tanungin mo na lang ako.
if you can take a picture of yourself, ibig ko sabihin sa computer mo may picture ka, di ba? Maybe you can load that and show us your picture para we know who we're talking to. So, Dayan is, where are you from?
From Marikina.
From Marikina.
Yes.
So, what is your job today?
Well, sige, ayan. Currently, I'm back on my normal gig as a freelance computer trainer.
Mm-hmm.
Yan. Kasi I resigned from my full-time job last December.
Ay, ang galing.
Yan.
Okay.
I already have courage to do what I want.
Wow. You have to share to us. Paano mo na desisyonan ang pag-resign? Before that. Everybody, can you just say hi, Dian?
Hi, everyone.
Allow them to say hello para happy.
Ayan, okay.
Ayan, nag-hello na sila. So,
Oo.
gusto niyo bang malaman kung paano nag-decide si Dayan mag-resign? We'll just ask you a rhetorical question. Sabihin niyo nga yes or no. Gusto niyo bang malaman?
Ayan,
Paano
gusto nila.
siya nag-decide? Oh yes daw, we want to know. Sabi nila, okay, go
Okay.
ahead. Ayan, sabihin mo na.
Ayan, paano daw ako nag-resign? Siyempre, nag-file ako ng resignation para makapag-resign ako. Pero I decided to do that because I feel that I deserve something more than what I'm getting from the company.
Mhm.
Yan. And I'm really in search of an online job kasi I want to spend more time with my family, most especially my kids. Because I believe that the best gift that we can give to our children is our time.
Mhm. Pero,
Yan.
the trigger. Can you tell us about the trigger?
May apprehensions kasi syempre, is this really real? Kasi before, since 2003 pa, so medyo matagal na, no? I already in search of an online job. I found one, but unfortunately, it was a scam. So, parang nagkaroon na ako ng doubt doon sa mga ganyan. So, before I decided to really try this on, I researched a lot. O, diba? Ni-research ko talaga si Sir Jomar. Kung sino ba talaga siya.
So,
And
when did
then,
you recent lang yun? 2000
yes.
mo?
Ay, recent lang ba yun, sir? 2003, matagal na siya.
Matagal na yung 2003, pero yung
Yes.
Jomar, wala pa sa internet ng 2000.
Oo nga. Oo, sir. Kaya nga na-scam ako nung time na yun, no? Kasi wala ka pa nun eh.
Wala
Ayan.
pa.
Yes, oo. So, eventually, nakalimutan ko na siya. And then, ngayon lang ulit, nag-decide ako na parang I want to try it again. And I actually discovered about this virtual career program of yours from Brother Bo Sanchez. Kasi I subscribe to his newsletter. So yan. And I'm thankful naman na nag-subscribe ako sa kanya because I discovered your virtual career program, which seems to be the one that I've been looking for a long time. Diba?
Pero nag-research ka, tapos you forgot about it. Tama ba intindi ko? After research, you forgot about it.
Ngayon lang ako nag-research ulit. After after 2003, nakalimutan ko na siya. Tapos, parang every time I work as a full-time employee, parang I always feel like I deserve more than this. So parang ganun lang. And then, kasi parang I feel like I work a lot and I spend a lot on my job, pero I'm getting something which I do not deserve. So something like that. There.
Meron bang event na talagang triggered point for you? Like, kahit simpleng, ano yung situation na you found yourself, na sabi mo, eto na, resign na ako?
When dun sa current job ko kasi, transfer nila ako sa isang office. But I see the same kind of people and the same situation where nafe-feel ko na parang hindi ako masaya dito, yung something like that. So sabi ko, I need to show my talent. I have talents that I can do a lot more, which I can earn more. So that's where I decided to really go to the virtual career program.
So how did you get the job online?
Oh, I haven't had any job online pa. Wala pa. This is actually first time.
So wala ka pa, nauna yung resign?
Yes, nauna muna yung resign. So ngayon, I decided to purchase Christmas Bundle 1 because I want to know the right approach. Kasi yun din yung medyo natatakot ako. Paano ba yung approach dito? Yung parang ganun. Yan.
Explain approach.
Approach. Yung tamang way on how to deal with like employers online. Like for example, for interviews, ano ba yung dapat nating gawin? And before the interviews, actually, yung application pa lang. So, like how are you going to present yourself? Because they don't know you personally, they don't even know who you really are. So, how am I going to present it to the clients?
Diba may libro na yan sa bookstore?
May libro ba sa bookstore? Siguro, meron din online actually. Pero syempre, iba pa rin yung...
Diba?
Yes, oo. Pero iba pa rin syempre yung pupunta ka sa expert.
Expert.
Oo, di ba? Yan. Kagaya ni Sir Jomar.
Susulat ko lang yun. Iba magpupunta. Are you seeing my on mind map?
Yes.
Man?
Yes.
Nakikita nyo, wala kasi nag-appreciate. Kayo, mahina ang ano. Mahina. Okay. Pakisabi nga, thank you sa mind map. Okay.
Yan, thank you sa mind map.
Kung gusto niya lang mag-thank you, chefs. Okay, salamat na yan.
Thank you, sir.
Tell us your thoughts about Bundle 1. Nakita mo na ba? Dapat nakita mo na, di ba?
Nakita ko naman na siya. So, yun nga, for newbies siya. So, that's why I decided to purchase it. Kasi nga, I'm a newbie in terms of virtual professions. So, wala pa akong idea kung ano talaga siya. Or ano yung ginagawa ng virtual professional. So, there.
Did you get your workbook already?
Yes, I already have it. I hope I can share my photo of it.
Okay, tanggalin yung screen share yan. Pakita mo sa kanya.
Okay, meron akong picture. So, hindi ko alam paano ko ba i-share.
Merong screen share sa taas na button. Pero you have to bring it sa pinakataas. Or sa
okay. Ayan, okay.
Or sa very bottom, yung screen share pa. Share screen pala.
Ayan. Yeah, there. If you can see it.
Diba?
I already have the workbook also, which goes with the Cebu webinar yata, no? Ayan. So, nabasa ko na siya. Katatapos ko lang siyang basahin. But, I'm going to... Yes, yun yung workbook. The textbook and the workbook.
Ay, ako nga pala. Am I right? Nobody has seen the first 30 minutes? Hindi pa lumalabas? Tama ba? Hindi ba napopost ni Lorenzo at ni Isabel ang 30 minutes ng Cebu? Tama, wala pa ata.
Parang meron ako na-receive.
May na-receive ka ng link?
Oh, yes. Parang meron. Pero hindi ko pa siya in-open.
Okay. Kasi may exercise agad yan eh.
Okay.
Yung Cebu kasi, the way it was made, just like the Manila, walang yung Manila, walang workbook. In Cebu event, each step has an exercise. Parang every 10 minutes, may exercise.
Okay.
So, doon mo makikita yung value ng workbook kasi merong papapili sa'yo. Nasa workbook yung pipilian mo.
Yeah, okay.
So, that's gonna be fun. I wanna give everybody a chance to see the Cebu seminar 30 minutes. Anyway, hanapin ko mamaya. Okay, para everybody can see. I'm gonna put it publicly in first 30 minutes. Okay, nasa na tayo. Okay, thank you very much, Dayan. Can you
sir.
Tell everyone listening your thoughts right now. How do you feel right now? About them, sige, kahit ano.
Okay, I'm excited to do the tools that I need for my blog. Nag-register pa lang ako. But there are a lot of things that I have to do pa. So I'm excited to do it, and I'm also excited to watch the webinars. I'm watching it one by one. Actually, everything is so overwhelming, but it's okay. Kasi finally, yun nga, I will be able to spend more time with my children. Ayan. And I know that there is a lot more to learn even though I've been teaching for a long time. So excited na.
Yay!
Thank you, sir.
Tayo lang sa overwhelm. Huwag mo tingnan kasi sabay-sabay. Nakakaduling talaga.
Oo nga eh.
Isa lang. Yun lang tayo ng mata mo eh. So wag mong i-torture yung mata mo looking at everything at the same time. Yes. Your brain can only handle one thing. So just go do one thing lang.
Yes, okay.
Kasi hindi naman kailangan impressin ang sarili. Sino bang ini-impress mo?
Di ba?
By looking at everything at the same time, nakakaduling. Yes. So, go watch at least in 30 minutes ng Cebu. Or kahit unahin mo na yun. Nandun na kasi yung videos ng Manila eh.
Alright.
Unahin mo na yun. Kompleto na yun.
Okay. Sige po.
Diba? Kasi Cebu, hintayin mo pa yung edits namin ng ibang days.
Okay.
So iba namang experience sa Cebu. Kasi sa Cebu, sasagutin mo yung workbook. Sa Manila, you can do it in your notebook.
Alright. Alright.
It will help you. Okay?
Okay.
Salamat na yan. Everybody say
Sure.
from Marikina.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Sunod si 5 May. Let's listen to 5 May. Okay, 5 May. Ikaw naman, pakita ka ng screenshot ng yourself or your book or show us something.
Good morning, everyone. Actually, sa Jomar, may presentation akong mali.
Go. Show us. Go.
Okay. So, share ko lang. Ayan. Konti-konti lang naman ang sinabi ni Isabel.
Turuan kita para masaya.
Paano po?
Punta ka sa view, tas gawin mo slide only.
Slide only. Slideshow.
Enter full screen mo na lang pala. Slideshow mo na, tama, sorry.
Slideshow.
Slideshow. Everyone, this is 5 May. Please say hello to 5 May Huervas. Everybody.
Hi, everyone.
Hello, 5 May.
Hi, Diane. Okay, nag-slideshow na siya. Start na po.
Yes, go.
Okay. So, before I start, share ko lang tong quote from Nelson Mandela. Basahin ko. Let's read together. Education is our passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to the people who prepare for it today. So, magandang siya, pang guide. So, again, good morning. My name is 5 May Reston Huervas. I'm 35 years old. I'm from Valencia City, Bukidnon. So I'm married with 4 kids, ages 6, 5, 3, and 4 months. I'm a certified public accountant, and I was a government employee for 7 years. Then I resigned last May 2015. It's been almost 2 years na din na nag-stop ako ng trabaho na full-time. So, I'm a member of the Truly Rich Club ni Brother Bo. So, I heard about Jomar from Brother Bo Sanchez. So, I started following him in 2011, but downloaded a VA training in 2013. So, may mga procrastination talagang nangyari. So, I finished and submitted my assignment after 3 months. Then, I got a part-time gig. Pero, nag-stop din ako after a few months kasi I decided to help my mother-in-law because she became the mayor of our city. Dahil noon, vice mayor lang siya. So, naging mayor siya, and then kinuha niya ako bilang city administrator. And then, dahil sa trabaho, sa demands ng work, at saka may family pa, hindi na talaga ako nakapagpatuloy ng online work. But when my eldest started kindergarten in 2015, I decided to stop working na talaga kasi nag-homeschool kami. And currently, I work as a part-time Facebook page manager ng official fan page ng mother-in-law ko. And then, dahil nung administrator pa ako, sinet up ko na to. Tapos sinet up ko rin yung LGU na official fan page at saka yung website, yung government website. Minomonitor ko pa rin siya constantly. Tsaka yung mga staff na nagmi-maintain, nagko-consult pa rin sa akin. So I'm also the speech writer ng mother-in-law ko for her speaking engagements. And I also did her inaugural speeches and state of the city addresses. And my mother-in-law pays me for those services. Kaya part-time work lang talaga siya. And then, I want to make my positioning as, ayan, kita nyo, early childhood and relationships development specialist. Hindi ako expert. I have no degrees. Hindi ko pinag-aralan. But it will all be learnings na lang from actual experiences sa pagiging nanay. So, I bought Christmas Bundle 3, which is second income to learn affiliate marketing. So that I can earn passive income, then I can do what's most important, which is to focus more on taking care of my family and homeschooling of my children while still earning. So yan talaga ang pinaka-basis. I really want to be present my children's life habang bata pa sila. Yan. So to end, let me share this. This is really what guides me in all my decisions. For I know well the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29:11. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much. 5 May. 5 May, anong syudad ba yan?
Valencia City, Bukidnon.
No, kailan niyo ako invite? Dali.
Sa Saturday, binyag ng anak ko.
Hindi, para sa mayor, ano ba yan?
Pwede kayo i-tour. May yung tourism office namin dito. Pwedeng mag-tour ng may mga tourist spots kami dito magaganda talaga.
Hindi rin yun. Magsa-seminar ako.
Sige, why not? Plan natin. Kaya ko yan. Event organizing.
Turuan natin sila mag-work from home or mag-social media marketing. O ikaw bida. Diba?
Actually, may negosyo center kami dito. Yung sa DTI na in-establish nila per LGU. Yun, nagse-seminar actually talaga sila meron silang mga online for yung online opportunities sinasali nila. Tapos syempre friend ko naman yung nagmaman, sabi niya, "Speaker ka na?" Sabi ko na, "Nahiya pa ako kasi hindi ko pa na-launch yung website ko." Yung website ko, may dalawa ako, tatlo actually, yung portfolio ko nung nag-VA ako. And then, meron akong talagang tinatrabaho ngayon, yung sa homeschooling. Yung landing pages lang talaga ang problema ko. Kaya, hindi ko pa siya nilo-launch. So, at saka yung isang domain na pangalan ko talaga, yung 5maywarvas.com. Yun. Sabi ko, magsispeak ako, or yun, pwede kayong pumunta dito, Sir Jomar. We can do that actually kasi maraming mga interested talaga.
Oh, di ba? Kayo naman, no? Pinagawa sa akin yan ng Carmona Mayor. Okay, Carmona. Anyway, not about me. Let's talk about you. 5May. 5May.
Yes.
Ano ang lesson? Di ba sabi mo, parang you did something tapos hindi natuloy. Naintindihan mo? I can't remember. How do you feel right now? What is the lesson you learned sa haba ng journey mo? Di ba nag-work ka online and you stopped, then you did it again. So there is a story there. Tell us what did you learn from your own success journey? Ayan.
Yeah, actually, nung nag-work pa ako sa government, yung point na nag-purchase na ako talaga ng downloadable, I really wanted to take charge of my life na the work was no longer rewarding, hindi na na-appreciate yung efforts mo kasi dati idealistic ako. Sabi ko, I want to change the world. So I could work in the government para meron akong maraming magagawa na pagbabago. Pero ang hirap ng system na ikaw lang yung isa talaga yung counter flow. So lahat na sumasama sa agos. Sabi ko, ito na ang sagot kasi pwede ko naman gamitin yung boses ko or yung talent ko sa online na lang ganyan. And then na nag-work ako noon, ang happy ko, ang saya-saya ko talaga. Parang this is really it na gustong-gusto ko na talaga itong ginagawa ko. And then I was so to,
Social media?
yeah, yung part-time gig o social media.
You were very happy doing that?
Happy po ako talaga noon. And then, yun nga, nag-stop talaga na dahil kailangan kong mag-commit. Tulungan din sa pamilya, ganun. So, it was a big decision for me. And I cried actually talaga nung nag-resign ako. Parang ang lungkot-lungkot na I have to let go of this dream. Tapos tinanong nga ako ng isang manager ko din na sabi niya, is that really what you want? Sabi ko, hindi. Pero obligasyon sa pamilya, kailangan kong gawin. Pero nung after, pero hindi naman ako nag-commit ng parang forever din sa trabaho. Sabi ko, just to help you transition. Sabi ko sa mother-in-law, just to help you transition, tapos set up everything, kung ano yung gusto mo, yung mga policies na kailangang ma-put up. So, tutulungan kita. But I really have to go back to what I want to do, sabi ko. And especially to taking care of the kids. Ganon. So, naintindihan naman niya kasi, di ba, mga apo niya din naman yung inaalagaan ko. So, she let me go. Kahit masakit sa loob niya. And ang ano talaga doon, yung full-time kasi ang challenging kasi din ng homeschooling. Kaya, dapat last year pa ako nag-second income. Tapos, ang dami lang challenges. Nag-election kasi. So, frontliner din ako dun sa mga namin, sa campaign. So, ang may mga doon. Pero, at the back of my mind, inaano ko pa rin, umattend pa rin naman ako ng webinars. Tapos, I can't let go of this dream. So, sabi ko, 2017, it's my year. I have to act now. 4 months old yung baby ko ngayon, pero lalaki din siya. So, I just have to ask help from others. Help sa husband ko, help sa mga kasama namin dito sa bahay. So, para magawa ko talaga. Yun, sabi nga dun sa last na webinar na inatinan ko kay Sir Jomar, I have to do whatever it takes. Kung kahit puyat ba yan, so I wake up mga to listen to the past, yung second income na naka-upload na last year. So, do whatever it takes para magawa ko to.
So, did you get any bundles? Christmas bundles? Which one?
Yeah, Christmas bundle 3. Second income.
Second income. Explain to us. Bakit? Ano ba yun?
Yun. Second income kasi it's about affiliate marketing. So, once ma-set up mo na yung mga dapat i-set up, like yung mga catchers mo, ano ba yan, landing pages. And then, kasi alam ko na yung affiliate marketing before. Actually, sa Truly Rich Club ko yung natutunan. And may earnings ako doon. Kaso maliit. Kasi hindi ko alam.
May earnings ka sa affiliate marketing. Say that slowly para maintindihan nila yung nagsasabi mo.
Yun. Sa affiliate marketing.
So, hindi yun, ang tawag mo doon, affiliate marketing is not something that's new to you. Tama ba ako?
Yes.
It's not something na you're saying, totoo ba to? You're not doubting it? Parang gano'n. Tama ba ako?
Yes, oo. Kasi I earned na from affiliate marketing through the Truly Rich Club. Kasi maliit lang siya kasi hindi ko naman siya tinututukan. Hindi ko alam din yung sabi nga ni Dayan, yung mga bang mga approaches ang dapat gawin. So, yun ang gusto ko talaga, yung kahit technical pa siya, aaralin ko siya, yun, like the landing pages, tsaka yung yun, para lumaki, kasi passive income siya, every month may pumapasok as long as yung affiliate ko nagsasubscribe pa rin. So, passive siya. So, once ma-set up ko na lahat, I expect na talagang magtuloy-tuloy na lang din yung earnings, and I can focus more dun sa kasi pag online na yung talagang may kliyente ka, medyo mahihirapan ako kasi marami akong inaasikaso. Homeschooling, gagawa ka pa ng lessons, ganyan. Tapos, kailangan palagi ang appreciate ko lang kasi pag nasa bahay ka, nakikita ko talaga yung mga anak ko. Nakikita ko kung ano yung mga nare-recognize ko yung mga teachable moments. So nakakatch ko yun.
Which is
Ganun.
kasi yun ang hindi na-experience na maraming magulang. Teachable mo.
Opo.
Kasi pareho
Yes.
sila muna sa bahay. Di ba?
Opo.
So, i-correct kita ang ano, totoo na passive income ang anong tawag po doon? Nakalimutan ko tuloy.
Affiliate
Affiliate
marketing.
marketing. Pero there are two kinds of passive income. One is monthly. Pakitype, everyone, type this in para alam nyo. One is monthly passive income. The other one is annual passive income. Ayan. Para clear to everyone. It depends completely on which you pick. Kung nag-sell ka ng product na monthly, katulad ng Truly Rich Club, kikita ka monthly passive. Pag nag-sell ka ng annual, katulad ng, let's say, hosting services, WordPress services, magiging annual ang iyong passive income. Iba-iba. So, it really depends on which you pick. Obviously, do you know what we do? We get all of it. We get annual passive income, we get monthly passive income. Kasi pwede naman. Okay? So, lahat pinapatulan. Okay ba? So, that's really, it's also faster than doing it using, believe it or not, this is faster than doing it using real estate. Kasi ang real estate medyo kasi maraming taon bago mag-passive income ang real estate. Real estate passive income is wonderful. However, it does take several years to get para kumita ng passive income sa real estate. Lalo na when you're beginning. I'm talking about beginners. Okay, beginners. So, question, first time mo pala mag-second income? Hindi ka nag-try before?
First time po. Tsaka OMC ako pala. Nakalimutan ko yung OMC. Nag-OMC ako. Tapos ginawa ko rin yung mga assignment, tutorials doon. Tapos hindi ako natapos. And then, stop talaga. Ngayon, yung parang ito yung perfect fit for me na yung second income. I had fun actually with OMC din, 'di ba? Kung na-remember niyo po, Sir Jomar, yung pinromote namin si Paul Baloche, ganun. Oo. So, ang dami ko ring learnings doon. Pero, yun nga, active siya eh. Gagawin ng posters, ganyan. So, talagang pero bubuhayin pa daw namin yung yung team. Plano namin this year. Kailangan lang ng push.
Yeah, we're gonna give you a push. So, pwede ikaw na mag-explain ano ba difference ng second income sa OMC?
Second income. Yun, affiliate marketing siya. At saka, yun, may monthly and annual na passive income. Ang online mentoring club, for internet marketers. So, pwede din ng affiliate marketing doon, Sir Joma, di po ba?
Yep.
So online, mas marami ding scope yung online mentoring club eh. At saka, ang dami-dami ding lessons doon. Bugbog sarado din sa lessons. So, one at a time, ginawa mo yung lessons, ang dami talagang skills na matutunan. Hindi lang pang VA, pang VP. Marami, internet marketer talaga. Pag may business, ganyan. Doon, magagamit mo yung mga lessons talaga sa OMC.
So, bibigyan kita ng tough question. So, why not continue this OMC and kumuha ka pa ng second income? Bakit?
Kasi, yun, ang gusto ko talaga yung passive. passive income na ano ng second income. Kasi iniisip ko talaga, set up ko lang set up, tas monitoring na lang. Hindi yung talagang active ako na nagpa-participate, and then plan ko, yun, pwede ka nang mag-hire ng ng mga VAs or VPs para sila yung magmamanage na magmaman na talaga ng mga websites ko, yung ganun.
Okay, I agree. Okay, I agree. It's really just the setup talaga. And pag nalaman nyo yung pinagagawa namin sa second income, yung autopilot, sabihin nyo,
Yes.
pwede pala yun? Pwede pa
Autopilot.
naman autopilot, tapos kikita ka pa rin? Oo, pwede kasi talaga. Kasi once nakahanap ka ng one formula that starts earning one sale, can everybody type this in? Once you start getting one sale, you just multiply hindi pa nga effort Hindi mo multiply yung effort mo kasi kalokohan yan. You just repeat what cost the first sale. And yung ginagawa namin, we don't really do something every day. That's weird. We actually just automate what cost the one sale para magkaroon ng 2 sale, 3 sale, 4 sale, ganun. Okay. So that's that's exactly what we do para mag-work out yung second income. And the good thing about second income, for those who join, we actually help each other. No? The big secret in this world of second income, affiliate marketing, people normally do not share information. Alam niyo ba yan? Pag merong nakadiscover ng way to earn money using affiliate marketing, they hate to share it. Okay? Which is kabaligtaran of what we do. We actually share, this works, let's do this together. Para we all benefit from everyone's success. Okay ba yan? So, thank you very much, 5 May.
You're welcome. Salamat din po sa opportunity.
Okay. So, that was 5 May Verbas for. Everybody say thank you, 5 May. Or, pwede ng 5, di ba? Thank you, 5.
Yes.
Parang artista. Okay. May code name. Okay. So, let's listen to Michael. Everybody say hi, Michael.
Hi, Michael.
Michael is in Laguna. Nandiyan pa ba si Mike?
Yes.
Mike,
Yes po.
meron ka bang story for us, or do you have a presentation or a picture to show us?
Just a story lang po.
Sige. Sorry. Hanapin ko si Michael sa Facebook para sa inyo. Everybody, give it up for Michael Dumlao. Everybody say hi, Mike. Ay, nagilaw na pala sila. Okay, sige go.
Sige po. Hello everyone. Good morning everyone. I'm Michael Dumlao. Actually, I've known Jomar since 2009 pa po. Medyo matagal na rin po. And I've known him also po from Boss Sanchez newsletter because since college pa ako, nung talagang nagbablog pa doon si Bo, doon sa bosssanchez.ph, nag-ano siya once ng post siya ng blog post about doon nga po sa, hindi pa nga po virtual assistant ano pa yung internet marketing workshop pa noon yung ginagawa ni Jomar noon. So, yun, umattend po ako noon. Sinabi ko sa nanay ko na atin ako ng internet marketing workshop. I have no idea. Basta alam ko alam ko yung internet marketing. I don't know. But pumunta na lang ako. Then, from then, doon ko na-meet si Jomar. Then, since then, nag-follow na ako sa kanya. Then, nag-ano na rin siya ng virtual assistant, yung virtual assistant seminar. Then, sumunod nun, marami ng seminar na ginawa si Jomar sa mga workshops. I even attended some of those, maybe 3 virtual assistant seminar na attended ko na. And I even facilitate in some of his seminars already.
Yeah.
So, yeah, this is my father with me. This just last week. Yeah.
Michael is the one in yellow for those.
Yes. Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, anong kwento? Dali.
So,
Kwento sa
Opo. Yes. This with my father, this with my cousin, and cousin's husband, and may pamangkin sa aking pinsan. So yeah, just last week we are in Ilocos. So kumain kami dyan. So that's one of the reason also why I want to pursue this online is so I can be with more time with my family kasi mahalaga talaga yung may oras ka sa pamilya. Na-realize ko siya lalo po nung nag-Saudi ako kasi naging hesitant ako dun sa pag-pursue ng online work. So tumigil ako, but kahit na tumigil ako mag-attend, I still follow Jomar. Binabasa ko pa rin yung mga article niya. Minsan, umattend pa rin ako ng mga webinar niya. Then, yun na nga, sabi ko, parang kulang pa yung mindset ko. Pero, kahit na ganun, sabi ko, itutuloy ko pa din yung pag-follow kay Jomar. Kasi, alam ko na, yung nakita ko yung, yung dedication para maging successful yung mga student niya. Kasi, since then, talagang hindi siya tumigil. Ako tumigil na ilang beses, pero si Jomar, tuloy-tuloy pa rin siya sa pagtulong sa mga tao. So, I know na yung sincerity niya na makatulong talaga. And I know na I'm in the right path. Although mabagal yung progress, at least para sa akin, meron progreso. So, mula po nung umuwi ako, 2 years sa Saudi, yun nga, yung tatay ko kasi nag-i-Italy din. So, umuwi siya. So, nagkataon na nagkita kami. So, doon ko na-realize kung gaano kahalaga talaga yung pag nakikita kayo kaysa yung nagchat-chat lang kayo every week, minsan every month pa, pag talagang may na-signal, yung time with the family. So, kaya, ginawa ko, bumili na lang ako nung bundle 1, yung Christmas bundle 1. Kasi, paano may budget na ako. So, may pambili na ako nung Christmas bundle 1. So, sabi ko, I need to start again. Kailangan ko uling magsimula dun sa beginner. Although, kahit pa paano, may idea na ako kung ano yung how to be a virtual assistant. Actually, I already finished my assignments. I even, yeah. Nakakatawa pa niyan kasi hindi lang isang beses. Siguro 2 beses niyata akong natapos yung assignment. So, 20 tutorials na nagawa ko pero hindi pa rin ako nagkaka-online job. So, actually, it's a little bit frustrating but actually it's also an eye-opener sa akin na talagang pagkulang yung mindset mo talaga. Parang tutuloy mo, tapos titigil ka, titigil. Hindi ka magtuloy-tuloy. Kaya yun nga po, ang ginawa ko after dun sa Christmas Bundle 1, may isa doon na, ang bago kasi ngayon doon sa mga seminar ni Jomar, meron siyang about mindsetting, yung magsulat ka muna ng mga 100 reasons. Dati wala pang ganun.
Wala
ka. Opo. Wala po. So, yung sabi ko, mahalaga yun. Na yung isulat yung 100. So, ngayon, natapos ko na yung 100 reason, pero hindi ko pa siya nasusulat. Nilagay ko siya doon sa apps na Evernote. Para tinatype ko lang. Natapos ko na siya. So, ang gagawin ko lang, susulat ko na lang siya. Kasi, tapos babasahin ko siya araw-araw. Then, meron din siya yung morning, tawag doon, yung sasabihin mo siya ng malakas para marinig mo siya.
Affirmation.
Yeah, affirmation niya. So, every morning, may affirmation ako. Punta ako sa banyo. Doon ko sinisigaw yung affirmation ko para wala makarinig. So, ganoon din, evening, bago matulog. So, it's about mindsetting. So, para talagang yung mindset ko, mas tumibay yung pundasyon para magtuloy-tuloy ko na siya. So, yun po yung kwento.
Grabe. Did you capture all of those, everyone, guys? Para seminar ni Mike. Mike, alam mo na gagawin. Magtuturo ka na ng mindsetting. Nakuha nyo ba? Pakisulat sa chatroom. Anong natutunan nyo kay Mike? Sobrang importante. Anong yes? Anong natutunan nyo? Hindi pwedeng yes. Ulitin natin ha. Mike, ikaw umulit. So, short, ano yung mga ginagawa mo? It's about what you're doing eh. It's not what you're saying.
Yes.
Sabihin mo sa kanila ulit, ano yun?
Yeah, because I learned it the hard way. What I do now, instead of doing first the assignment, because ginawa ko na siya, pero at to now, wala pa rin ako online work. So, medyo frustrating, no? Pero now, medyo iniba ko na yung strategy ko. First, mas nag-focus ako sa mindset. Sinulat ko muna yung 100 reasons ko. Most of them about traveling, about my family, so about financial, yung mga nakalagay doon. Then, after noon, meron din po akong affirmation every morning. So, binabasa ko siya in the morning, pagagising, and in the evening, bago matulog. So, naririnig ko siya. Kasi sabi ni Joma, iba pa rin yung naririnig mo sa sarili mo, yung mga affirmation na yun. Nandun siya dun sa Christmas Bundle 1, isa sa mga first steps para to get a virtual career.
Yeah, both Manila and Cebu. Meron yan.
Ayun,
O, example daw, sabi ni ano.
example.
Sabi ni
Okay.
Dayan.
Meron ako dito, sinave ko sa cellphone ko, babasahin ko. Sandali. Kasi ang ginawa ko, parang ginawa ko siyang posters, tapos binabasa ko siya sa cellphone ko.
Yung ginamit mong app?
Ano lang po, yung Google Photos lang. As,
Okay.
Tapos ginawa ko sa Canva, ginawa ko siyang parang poster para maganda siyang basahin. May background siya na para talagang mas ma-motivate ako magbasa ng mga affirmation. Ito yung isa sa mga affirmation na sinasabi ko every morning. I'm a money magnet. I like money and money likes me. I earn bountiful amounts of money. I wisely know how to create money. The money that I create keeps multiplying, duplicating, and replenishing itself. I faithfully save 10% of all the money I earn. I wisely invest my money. I cheerfully give money to good and worthy causes and philanthropies that makes a last and ongoing difference. I have money in my mind, in my future, in my pocket, in my wallet, in my safe, in my bank accounts, in my business, in my investments, and wherever it keeps growing. All that I do creates surplus, abundance, and plenty for myself and everyone else. So yan po yung every morning kong affirmation. So yun po.
Hindi yan galing sa Millionaire Mind Intensive na libro, mga kababayan. Galing lang po yan sa Google.
Bali, ginawa ko siyang poster para masarap basahin. Tapos binabasa ko sa cellphone ko.
Ayan.
Pero actually, it comes from the part of the lesson in Christmas Bundle 1.
Nasa Christmas Bundle yan. Yan.
Opo.
Yan. Basta yan. Kung ano man tawag mo dyan.
Opo.
Affirmation. Nasa Christmas Bundle yan.
Yes,
Pero
yes,
alam mo ba, tinuruan tayo ni Michael ngayon kung anong dapat gawin sa Christmas Bundle 1. Idikit sa cellphone, gawing poster sa loob ng cellphone. Galing, di ba?
Okay. Pwede rin. Yeah. Then later, maglalagay na talaga ako sa pader na pwede ko siya mabasa. Para pagising ko, pwede ko na siyang tingnan na lang. Parang ganun. A
No,
reminder.
it still works if you read it
Yes.
rather
Yes.
than...
Yes,
So,
tama po.
both are better than wala. Most people kasi wala, di ba? Medyo pa rin kayong picture ni Johnny Depp sa bedroom nyo. Tanggalin
Yes.
nyo na.
At least meron. O, yun nga, tama po.
Basta meron.
Mm-hmm.
Tapos
And you do it every day. So it become a habit.
Ayan, makinig kay Michael. O Michael, kung naghahanap ka ng positioning para sa iyong online marketing career, alam mo na. Sinasabi ko na sa'yo, ikaw na si Michael, the mindset master. Pwede.
Yes, why not? Why not?
O, ano daw oras ng umaga? Ano ba yun? Anong oras
sa umaga? Pagkagising po, actually, 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. It's up to you po. Mostly kasi sa umaga, naliligo na ako. So, before ako maligo, mga 7 o'clock. Minsan, 6 o'clock. Wala akong time sa umaga. Doon ko siya binabasa. The thing is, binabasa mo siya. Yun yung mahalaga. Michael, the mindset master. Pwede.
Okay, thank you. So you got, kahit na nakatatlong attend ka na ng VA seminar, you got bundle 1.
Yes, Bundle 1.
How do you feel about that?
I feel more excited na. And I feel na doon ko nakita kung gaano kabilis magbago talaga yung internet. Kasi di ko na pwedeng balikan siguro, pwede siguro balikan yung mga last, downloadables. Pero iba na siguro yung mga tools, iba na rin yung mundo after nun. Kasi last umatin ako 2013 pa. So ngayon, I feel na mas, kumbaga, mas, hindi ako nagmamadali ngayon. Pero ang mas pinofocus ko is the mindset. So once na mag-start na talaga ako, tuloy-tuloy na siya. And hindi na ako madaling ma-discourage compared noon dati.
Ayan, Gladys, meron ka bang gustong tanungin kay Mike? Kasi si Gladys is attending. Si Gladys, meron niyang vlog. May vlog yan si Gladys di ba? Pero wala online job. Baka may gusto kang tanong kay Mike. Gladys.
Yeah, we have been the same situation.
Same situation eh.
Yeah.
Diba? Tapos, kala si Mike naka-20. 20 tutorial.
Yeah, ang dami na. At least may downloadable so atin ako. Tinatapos ko naman kaya lang, hindi pa ako nakakakuha ng online job.
So I just want to end Mike's session with a reminder to everyone. Alam niyo ba, yan na ang magic. Na-discover na ninyo ang magic. It's more the mindset than anything. It's not skill. Ang ganda ba ng blood mo? No. Pagalingan ng mindset po itong game na to. The game of life, which you are all in, is pagalingan ng mindset. So kung magaling kayo sa mindset, sumusunod kayo ng tamang tao, nag-affirmation kayo, susunod kayo ng mga reasons why you're gonna win. You just have to follow that. It's not the how, it's the mindset. Thank you very much, Mike. Thank you, everyone. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, next guest. Gusto niyo pa ba ng guest? Let's talk to Jundance. Jundance. Everybody
Hi,
say
everyone. Morning.
Hello. Good morning. Nasaan ka,
Good morning, Sir
Jundance?
Jomer. Taga Cagayan de Oro po ako ngayon. May mga taga Cagayan de Oro po ba dito?
Explain to us ano nangyayari dyan.
Kasi may baha dito kahapon pero salamat naman sa Panginoon. Okay naman kami ngayon. Recovering na yung mga affected areas.
Wala na yung tubig. Wala na yung tubig.
Yes po. Nahupa na po. Nag-subside na po.
Okay. Very good.
Opo.
Paano yung bahay nyo?
Actually hindi kami affected. Yung nasa yung sa downtown yung affected. Pero dito sa amin, okay, we're fine. Yung maulan lang.
Okay, very good. So, Jundance.
Yes po.
Or share your Facebook para you know what you look like.
Meron ba akong dalawang slide para may
Okay,
picture
go.
ko na.
Slide.
Sa
Go ahead.
dito po.
So everyone say hi, Jundance. Ay, nagawa niyo na pala. So, sabi nga niya, downtown lang. Yung mga pictures ng mga kotse sa downtown lang yun. Dito sa Maynila, parang foreigner ang weather, mahangin. Okay, go.
Ito po. Okay, so again, good morning everyone. Ako po si Junidance Esriston. I am 24 and I am currently working as a call center agent, or I'm working for a BPO company here in Cagayan de Oro City. And 3 years na ako nag-work sa 8-hour graveyard job ko. And then napili ko ang work na call center, ang BPO kasi sa generation ngayon parang common siya or popular siya sa mga generation. And then though it's very unconventional, parang okay lang din kasi parang na-feel ko na kaya ko naman gawin ng pagiging call center. At first, okay pa naman yung job ko. I was actually happy and satisfied with it. However, and then 3 years ko, marami akong salary raises. I had several salary raises, pero over the course of 3 years, nafe-feel ko na hindi pa rin siya sapat or not enough for me to secure my future. And parang yung stress level hindi na babayaran yung stress level ko, though malaki yung sweldo mo, pero yung stress level hindi ko natitake, kaya parang I was actually thinking to quit being call center agent. And then actually I can still remember during my first year sa company ko, sinabi ko sa sarili ko, until December lang ako dito sa company na to, kasi until December kasi sayang din naman yung 13th month pay, so inaantay ko na lang. So okay, sabi ko until December lang. However, kaya lang hanggang ngayon, 3 years na lang, andun pa, nasa company pa rin ako. And then ang sister ko na si 5 May, yes, sister ko pala si 5 May Huervas. And my sister 5 May introduced me about Jomar Hilario and being a virtual professional, the stay-at-home job. So I was like, what? mag-earn ako kahit nasa bahay lang, parang I was so excited. I mean, inspiring siya, parang na-inspire ako na malaman na mag-earn ka at home. So, 'di ba sino naman ang hindi may gusto ng mag-earn ka na nasa bahay lang. So, I was excited about it. And then actually yung narinig ko yon, gusto ko na agad-agad magsimula. I wanted to jump right into being a virtual professional. And then during that time, I was visualizing myself working at home. Parang ang sarap ng feeling pag nasa bahay ka lang, and then parang nasarap ka lang ng computer mo, may kape ka, and then magtatrabaho ka lang sa convenient po na oras. So parang it was very happy feeling if imagining the feeling of being at home, working at home. And then however na-realize ko paano ako mag-work sa bahay. Wala naman pala akong computer. So nag-ipon ako. I mean, kahit na wala pa akong computer, alam ko naman sa sarili ko na I wasn't ready by that time. So nagpatuloy ako sa graveyard job ko sa pagiging call center agent. And then after 3 years, nakabili na rin ako ng computer. Opo, ang tagal. Sobrang tagal. But after I purchased my the main ingredient of my dream, I started to loosen the ties from my current job, and I started to tighten my grip to the future that awaits. And actually hindi madaling mag-quit sa job. It wasn't easy to quit my job because I know I'm really good at it, and I am very dedicated to it, and my bosses are really kind for me to leave them. Parang nakakonsensya ako, pero alam naman natin lahat na we have to, if we feel that we are being stuck, if we are stuck in a place and we're no longer growing, parang stagnant na tayo, kailangan natin mag-move forward and grow. So every time na mag-visit ako sa sister ko at sa mga pamangkin ko, me and my sister used to talk about her plans and making me part of it. Actually, inspiring siya. I mean, I was so happy, I was so glad and thankful for her, and na knowing na sinasama niya ako sa mga future plans niya sa growing as sa pagiging virtual professional. So I was very happy about it. And there was this one time she messaged me, and I was at full surprise and kilig. You know why? Binigyan niya ako. I mean, bibilhan niya ako ng Christmas bundle 1 sa Oo May Galante akong ate. Binilhan niya ako ng Christmas bundle 1. So parang so wala akong masabi. I was so happy, tapos I was so excited, and I don't know what to do, and I wanted to quit my job right away. So by that time, I actually drafted my resignation right away. So now I'm actually quitting my job sa 31 ng January. Last day ko na sa company, and I'm excited to start learning about being a virtual professional. And then ang mga reasons ko, there are 3 main reasons why I want to quit my job. Una, freedom. Gusto ko because I wanted to have quality time with my family and loved ones. Marami kasi akong na-miss na mga events, important events sa kanila. Like birthday, so marami ako nami-miss kasi hindi ako pwede makauwi kasi nandito ako sa Cagayan, and then sa Bukidnon. So it is very unfortunate for me not to attend to their events, important events. And so that's why I'm planning to quit my job. I'm going to quit my job, and then I hope it's not too late for me to make it up to them. And then I also want freedom from the office environment, the stress of the office environment, and also the hassle pag nagko-commute ka papuntang work kasi gabi, so parang delikado naman sa daan. So gusto ko I want to get rid of that. And second, ang pangalawang main reason ko ay Yes, ang pangalawang main reason ko is a fulfillment of my dreams. So, marami akong dreams. Oo, 'di ba lahat naman tayo maraming dreams. So, I wanted to like personal growth. I want to go beyond what I'm used to do. Parang hindi naman sa naboboard pero gusto mag-grow as a person, as an individual because parang and then parang being productive in a way that I will have an income that will surely make me happy and that I will be able to share with people I love. So parang kasi ngayon hindi ko na share kasi parang na-share ko naman pero parang hindi ko na share ng masyadong malaki kasi hindi na masyadong malaki ang sahod ko ngayon. I'm looking forward for more mas malaking sahod sa susunod. Earnings. That's earnings. So, and then also I want to prove to other I want to prove not to other people but to myself that I will learn and I will earn from what I truly earn. And to look for and because parang kung anong gusto parang masarap sa feeling pag nag-earn ka tapos gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, you're very passionate about it. So so yun din ang isa sa main reasons ko. And last is the security and welfare. So I'm not getting any younger and parang naisip ko na I want to secure my future and that's why I'm taking this huge step to secure my future and be the best that I can be. And actually so yan yung tatlong major I mean yung mga main reasons ko sa aking major career shift. And actually last December 5, 2016 doon sa Davao, have you heard of KCON? I know you've heard of KCON, but sino ba pumunta ng KCON last December sa Davao? So we actually, the entire family, including my sister, our entire family attended the KCON. And then when I was listening to the talks on moving forward, this is very weird. I am very weird. Yes, I am a very weird person. When I was listening to the talks, the theme was moving forward, and most of the talks that were something I can really relate with. It parang sinasabi na parang yung mga talks ay sinasabi in front of my face, parang para sa akin to. Tapos I was telling myself, you know what, Dens, maybe Brother Bo Sanchez organized this conference for you, just for you. So parang sa start pa lang, so by that time naisip ko kailangan ko na mag-move forward. So now I'm ready. I'm quitting my job on the 31st and I'm ready to get it on. That's it.
Ang galing. So have you opened up your gift?
Well, I have not opened my gift yet, but I had a pick. I had a pick because I have no time for now. Wala pa akong time na mag-ano kasi parang But surely when I quit my job, when the Independence Day will come, I will open it and I will celebrate.
Did you receive na yung workbook?
Yes, just yesterday the workbook arrived. Just kasabay lang ng when we were rehearsing yesterday.
Rehearsing for?
Yes, rehearsing for yes.
So do us a favor, take a picture of the workbook with yourself, post mo sa Facebook mo, alis ka na rin lang, intrigahin mo na sila. Tapos, ganito gawin mo, paturo ka kay 5 May, mag-register ka sa affiliate para pag magtanong ang mga office mate mo, ano yan, bigyan mo na affiliate link. That is how to sell. Okay? No talkies. Just take a picture of yourself with the workbook, smile ka lang, you take several pictures para meron kang ibang pictures. Tapos pag may nagtatanong, hoy, ano yan? Huwag mong sagutin. Sabi mo, tingnan mo to. Ching, tapos bigyan mo ng affiliate link. Tanongin mo kay 5 May paano gawin yung affiliate link. Okay?
Yeah, always always niya akong sinasali sa mga sa work niya. I mean sa mga plans niya. So I'm really happy about it.
Yun. Ngayon, kung wala kang time for the affiliate link, 5 May, ikaw na lang magbigay ng affiliate link mo. Pareho lang yan.
Pareho lang.
Kikita rin naman kayo kahit anong mangyari. Okay, that's, even before you resign, the good news that you pick this will help you earn. Gusto mo yan? Anybody, if you ever get any kind of bundle, pasukin nyo agad yung affiliate link, yung bundle affiliate link. Alam niyo ba kung nasaan? I'll just give it to you right now. It's Virtual Careers Academy. Sino dito ang gustong kumita ngayon na? Without waiting for consuming the bundles. Madali lang naman eh. Picturean ninyo yung whatever you're doing, like you got the workbook, and make sure you register yourself to virtualcareersacademy.com/courses/affiliates. And then if any one of the people you know are interested in what you just did and they buy, you get 50% of the price. Really, really high. Minsan, the 50% is higher than your salary. Monthly salary. So, if you are excited, you already got a bundle, take a picture of your progress. Don't sell. Okay, just take a picture of your progress. You're working on something. You're watching a webinar. You're reading the workbook. Can you do that? Selfie while reading the workbook. Ano yan? Selfie niyo sarili niyo reading the workbook. Don't explain. Okay? Pag nag-explain kayo ng todo-todo, mapapagod lang kayo. Ang gawin niyo, answer using pictures. Sabihin niyo ano yung benefit. Sabihin niyo lang yung benefit. Sabihin niyo lang yung benefit. And give them an affiliate link. Okay? If they sign in within 1 year, you get 50% of what they pay. Guess nyo? O si Virtual Superstar, nag-earn na siya. Di ba? Bilis. Wala pang isang linggo, halos, okay, nag-earn na siya agad. Okay. So, that's great. We'll be interviewing Virtual Superstar one of these days. Okay. Nag-resign ako, nag-post agad ako. Virtual Superstar, anong pangalan mo para alam din namin so we can interview you one of these days. Anyway, so sino si Virtual Superstar? I don't know. I don't know who she is, so I don't have to know who it is, but they can earn, right? Galing, galing. So thank you very much. Ang nangyari sa presentation mo, nawala. Ba't tinanggal mo? Judens,
Yes po.
yung presentation mo.
Talaga.
Ninakaw ni Virtual Superstar ang limelight. Judens, thank you very much. Everybody say,
Po.
thank you, Judens, for sharing your story. I think Judens, pay attention to Michael's story. Marami ka mapupulot doon. That's how you start.
Opo.
Kasi you can do what Michael does agad eh. Yung mindsetting. You don't need to resign to do mindsetting. You can just do that lying in the bed. So thank you very much. Let's talk to Ronnie. Where's Ronnie? Ronnie, nandiyan ka ba? Show us your face.
Hello. Hello, Sir Jomar.
Ronnie, anong kwento?
Hi,
Nasaan ka?
everyone.
Where are you now?
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
Hello.
Yes, Ronnie, we can hear you na. Nag-hello na sila. Tell us your story, Ronnie. Anong kwento? Naka-cellphone ka, no? Hindi ko mo kayo marinig. Ronnie, narinig ba tayo ni Ronnie? Okay, let's not try it. Joy, are you there? Naka one-way audio nga siya. Joy, are you there? Your turn. Let's give it up to Joy kasi mukhang nawala si Joy. And then si Joy. Joy, are you ready to talk right now? Si Ronnie kasi nawala eh. So si Joy na lang. Hello? Yeah, Ronnie we can't hear anything from Joy kasi. Okay, I'll just take this opportunity since I can't hear from Joy or Ronnie, and still take this opportunity to show you all about the Christmas bundles. So today is the deadline for getting the Christmas bundles, and let me just show you the website. And the Christmas bundles was designed for you, the person who wants to learn all about earning from the internet, how to earn from the internet two different ways, okay? So if you're a super first-timer, the Christmas bundles is ideal for you because we have several choices na pwede mong i-take. Like si Joy. Si Joy, sabi niya, ang tagal ko na dito, hindi ako makastart. So, kunin mo yung bundle 4 because you need a helping hand. If you are not in the Philippines, you should get bundle 1, which is designed for super downloadable. So, ikaw nga yan, Joy. Joy Pangilinan. So, this is for downloadable, yung bundle 1. Bundle 2 is you have to go to Manila so we can help you. And that's happening this Saturday morning sa Royal Palm Sky Lounge, okay? Sa Taguig. And now, if you're really looking for an intimate setup, there's that back to basics. If you're okay with the seminar, okay, the seminar in Manila is happening this May. Ayan, bundle 6, and there's also a seminar in Davao. Who's from Davao? Who is from Mindanao? Go get the bundle 7. That's the Davao event. Okay, and then of course everybody. I don't know if you know this. Anybody who gets a bundle, a Christmas bundle or Christmas single, you get to join for free yung Manila Date with Freedom live event, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. That's October 7, I think. Let me check the calendar. October 7, that's where we're going to celebrate live online. Everybody gets to join. It's not a raffle. You instantly get to attend it for free. You understand me? Lahat ng bumili ng bundle or ng single, advance or newbie, you just get to attend for free. Okay ba yan? So magkikita-kita tayong lahat sa October 7. Yeah, it's a far-off day, pero huwag kayong mag-alala. I think that is a long weekend. So if you're gonna fly into Manila, kayang-kaya mag-fly in. Kasi Thursday pa lang wala nang pasok, I think, in that weekend. Okay? Pwede ka mag-leave ng Saturday, leave ng Friday, Thursday walang pasok. You show up on October 7, Saturday, that's wonderful. So we can see each other there. It's gonna be featuring lots and lots of virtual professionals on stage, entrepreneurs on stage, your relatives on stage. I'm not kidding. Ako ang host lang. Okay. Okay. So that's the bonus for everyone. So you don't even have to buy the bundle 8, right? It's free. The seminar itself is free. Bundle 8 if you want the recording. So get bundle 8. But if you want to get the seminar for free, it's already for free. Okay. So that's very good. It's called the Virtual Career Summit or Date with Freedom. That's the same event where we get to talk to each other about virtual careers and all the aspects of virtual careers. Plus, we also have a Kerygma preacher helping us out every time. Because that's for newbie. If you're looking for advanced, ito na po yung advanced lesson ng Christmas bundles. Now, there is Instant Virtual Skills 2015. That's bundle 2. This is for those na wala sa Manila. You want to learn all about how to increase your rate up to $40 an hour. That's Instant Virtual Skills 2015. Plus, you also need to learn yung Facebook ads. Yan din yun. Okay? Now, if you're like 5May, gusto mong matuto ng affiliate marketing, go for bundle 3. This is a proven system, by the way. Lots of people have started earning, like si Elizabeth, si Nimpa, si ako, syempre. Si Natasha, they've already started earning a second income. So this is batch 3. Okay? Now, this Saturday, we're gonna meet. Second income is going to meet with bundle 5 people. So who are my bundle 5 people? These are Instant Virtual Skills people. Well, you will learn how to set up yourself for a 6-digit to 7-digit monthly income. Not just as a virtual professional, but also somebody higher level. Mas mataas yung earnings eh. So that's bundle 5. This bundle 5 is Instant Virtual Skills. We meet for 6 months starting this Saturday. And we meet again on the next Wednesday. Next Wednesday for a webinar. Ayan. So, ito yung gusto kong attendan ng mga taong nakikinig. If you've been listening for a long time and you wanna, upgrade nyo na yung mindset, upgrade nyo na yung personal development, upgrade nyo na yung skills, join us for Bundle 5. Okay? Because that happens in the afternoon of yung Back to Basics, which is this one. Bundle 4 happens on this Saturday morning. And in the afternoon, Bundle 5 happens. So, all in one day. Sa Royal Palm Sky Lounge, okay? And the Date with Freedom, you get that if you can't fly to Manila. We'll give you a recording of the event and a brand new massive copywriting course galing sa Instant Virtual Skills. So that's bundle 8. Now, The final thing I want to discuss is the singles, the Christmas singles, because this contains a lot of specific skills from Instant Virtual Skills, pero ginawa lang namin solo para mas affordable. Okay? So yeah, of course, may recording tayo ng Saturday. Lagi namang may recording. Okay. So the singles, I need you to focus on one single because it's happening. So it's happening this February. The single one is called, Out of Town Success Replanning. Right now, it's 6,991, good for one person, includes transport, includes all food, 2 snack, 1 lunch, and it's gonna be an out-of-town planning. Let me tell you that if you join and you bring one other person, the next person gets it at half price. Okay ba? So meron kayong pair discount. Pakiayos nga nito, Sophie and company. Gawa nyo ng pair to, dagdagan nyo na ng 50% para for 2 people. Bring your spouse, bring your teenage children, yung sa tingin nyo handa na, bring your family, na yung mga ready na mag-plan, and bring a notebook and a pen because we will be actually planning out of town. We're gonna go somewhere. I'm not gonna tell you where. We're gonna sit there individually. I'm gonna guide you. What are you going to answer in the planning session? And that's gonna be available for questions also. I'm gonna spread everyone around in the resort where we'll go out of town. And babalik ko kayo 6 o'clock in the morning. Babalik ko kayo 6. We're gonna leave the venue at 6 p.m. Para tulog na lang kayo sa sasakyan, and then you wake up, you're in Manila again. So that's an out-of-town planning in Feb 18. It's a Saturday. I would love for you to go because only successful people are those with written plans. Sino dito ang gusto maging successful person in whatever you're planning to do? You know, you achieve what you got. You really got what you wanted, right? Yun ang ibig ko sabihin successful person. We are all in the success journey, but the journey is better if our annual goal is met. Di ba? Meron tayong annual goal. So, it's much better to execute it when you have it written down. So, right now, if you're not traveling to Manila, you can't join this kasi sabi mo, wala sa ibang bansa ka. Start making your own retreat. Planning retreat, full day, write down your goals. And if you need guidance, lumipad ka sa Maynila, join us. Katulad ng gagawin ni Cheryl. Cheryl is flying in from Singapore. Husband is flying in from Bohol. And they're gonna meet in Manila to join the planning event. And alam niyo ba na ganun pala, success na si Cheryl. Cheryl is from Singapore. Success na agad. If you have a mindset, everybody type this, mindset. You have a mindset of success that believes that if you write down your plan, that if you travel just to learn, successful ka na agad. Sure na yun. Kasi nag-win ka na sa ano pa lang, mindset pa lang. Halimbawa, wala ka pang skills, panalo ka na agad. And that's the game of life. Yun yung tinuturo ko sa inyo paulit-ulit in this many years. The game of life, you win by having the right mindset first. By developing the right mindset first. Not developing the right skills first. The right skills, you can hire for the right skills. The mindset, you cannot hire people to think for you and have a mindset for you. Unang-una, you'll be afraid to hire. So, mindset pa rin ang ending nun. Right? So, ganun pala, please understand, the Feb 18, this price will increase. So, if I were you and you're thinking about airfare, vacation, stop it. Ayusin niyo muna yung mindset nyo before taking off vacations and airfare. It's more valuable to you to get this. Okay, plus may 50% off ka pag may second person ka kasama. Marami rin pwedeng kausapin. Okay, next is I want to highlight for you Singles 5. Nasaan na ba yan? Singles 6, which is the 2013 seminar, now at 50% off. Dating 3,475, ngayon 1,390. Believe me, if you get Singles 6, libre ka na sa Date with Freedom sa October 7. How much did you pay for October 7 seminar? 1,390. So, what? 1,390, you get to download the VA 2013 seminar and you get to attend October 7. Mura na? O if you buy that seminar, it's like 7,000 right now. But you can get it at 1,390. Are you getting this? So I'm just gonna focus on singles 6 and singles 1. You just read the rest. This is all about very specific skills, yung mga singles. Only if you're interested in tingi-tingi. But, you know, I'd love it for you guys to get single 6 and single 1. Okay? Finally, let's sinong ready now to speak? Joy, are you there? How about Ronnie? Who's willing to last guest?
Hi, Sir Jomar.
Ayan, Ronnie, tell us
Hi.
your story.
Okay. Hi,
Okay.
Sir Jomar.
Nasaan ka?
Okay. Share ko lang po yung screen ko po.
Okay, go.
Okay. Okay, by the way, everyone, my name is Ronnie. And I'm currently working sa BPO industry, sa isang IT company as a help desk analyst. I haven't met Sir Jomar yet, but I have met his book, the Virtual Careers book. And first time na nakita ko siya doon nung Kerygma Conference 2014. So, thinking ko pa dati nung nakita ko yung book is parang it was marketed para sa mga moms na stay at home. So, ganun pa yung thinking dati. So, hindi ko pa siya masyadong sineryoso dati. But,
Wala kami. Nag-share ka ba? Did you have a share there? Wala kami nakikita.
Wait lang po.
Sorry, tuloy natin pagka na-present mo na para maganda, di ba?
Ito po.
Yo! Thank you very much. Go.
Okay. So, as you can see po, sa screen ko, on the right, yun yung workbook which came in the mail yesterday. And then sa lower left, ito po yung mother ko, kaakbay ko, and then yung dalawang bata is yung mga pamangkin ko. Okay, so sila yung motivation ko to take this seriously because I purchased yung bundle 3. So the major reason na nag-purchase ako ng bundle 3 is because I want to achieve yung 2 types of freedom. One of which is yung financial freedom, and then the other one is freedom of time. Going back, nung nakita ko nga yung book ni Sir Jomar nung Kerygma Conference 2014, di ko pa siya sineryoso nun. But then, sometimes, for us to take action, sometimes it takes a major pain story. So, same year, my dad passed away. So, maraming realizations na nangyari sa akin. So, maraming regrets. I wish na I could make up for the lost time. Kasi masyado akong busy nun sa work. Kasi I grew up thinking na in order to be financially free or financially well, you really have to study hard and get a job that pays well. Ang hindi ko na-realize na all this time, I have been trading time for money. So, sige, kasi ako yung breadwinner. So, okay, nag-earn ako, nakakapagpadala ako sa family ko, pero nagiging kapalit naman yung time or yung relationship mo with the family. So, yun, na-realize ko rin na we all have different stories in our lives. Lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang storya. Pero we all have a choice. It's either you take control of your life or someone else will. I can't remember kung saan ko siya nabasa, pero yun yung isa sa mga di ko makalimutan na quotes na hindi mo i-take control yung buhay mo. It's either your employer will take control of your life. Alam mo yan. And also, I'm starting to get rid of the poor mentality. Kala ko dati parang ganito na lang ba, hanggang kailan ako magtatrabaho. Then na-realize ko na lahat pala ng blessings and opportunities na sa paligid lang natin. Ang kulang lang we have to make yourself grow. Okay? So minsan di natin nakikita yung opportunities kasi masyado tayong sa self-pity. And then, akala natin kulang tayo sa motivation. Pero we all have enough reason, we all have enough motivation. Pero sometimes, all it takes is a major pain story, tulad ng nangyari sa akin, for me to take action. So, when my dad passed away. So, like I said, na-realize ko na lahat ng blessings and opportunities nasa paligid lang natin. We just have to make ourselves grow and learn more skills kasi hindi lang natatapos sa college or sa school yung pag-aaral. Learning should never stop. So, you have to learn more skills and then eventually, lahat ng blessings and opportunities darating. And which yung nangyari sa akin, para sa akin, blessing na dumating sa point na to na finally purchasing yung one of the bundles ni Sir Jomar. Kasi I was also inspired by the success of one of his students. Her name is Miss Nina Mendoza. And I was inspired by her success. We were colleagues before in another call center. And then na-surprise po ako kasi one day may nag-pop up dun sa feeds sa Facebook na yung group, na suggested group, nakalagay dun yung Virtual Careers by Jomar Hilario, and then nakita ko dun one friend, si Nina Mendoza, and then in-add ko, nag-send ako ng request to join, and then in-accept ako, and then dun na siya nag-start, then tuloy-tuloy na. Yun po.
Galing.
And what I liked about Bundle 3 is yung idea po ng passive income. Kasi parang doon mo lang ma-achieve yung yung freedom of time when you start earning yung passive income. So tulad nga ng in-explain ni Sir Jomar, sa affiliate marketing you can either earn monthly or annually, pero it doesn't matter as long as you're earning a passive income. So that's a great help para imbis na you're making yourself work for money, you're making money work for yourself. So you can spend more time with your family po. So yun po. Thank you.
Ang galing. Anybody? Hindi niyo ba sasabihin ang galing? Ang galing na kwento. Wait, this is very important. How did you feel nung nakita mo si Nina nandun? I mean, naniwala ka ba? Baka kasi hindi naman totoo yun di ba? So, how did you feel nalaman mo yung kwento niya?
Kasi na-inspire po ako, na-motivate, and then parang sabi kasi nung magkasama kami nun sa isang call center, wala pang idea na pinupursue niya pala yung career na yon, and then within the span of 2 years na narating niya yung kung nasaan siya ngayon. So yun talagang na-motivate talaga ako doon na kung nagawa niya, I think kakayanin ko din.
Pero, ba't ka naniwala? How did you get introduced to her story?
Her story po?
Paano mo nalaman yung nangyari sa kanya?
Yun po, minessage ko din siya. Tapos yun nga, nag-work siya, yun nga mas prefer niya nga mag-work sa bahay. And then, medyo busy na po siya ngayon, so di na nakaka-reply ng konti. Pero, yun nga, nakita ko yung pinapost niya sa Facebook. So, doon ako na-intriga na she was able to. Ang nagustuhan ko isa sa mga post niya is yung pinost niya na from client to business partners. So, ang galing from being a client, yung client niya ngayon, mag-partner na sila. So, I think enough proof na yun na para masabi ko na talagang nag-grow si Nina, not only personally pero professionally rin.
Galing. Salamat. Laking impact pag kilala mo. Pag kilala mo yung tao, parang, ay, kilala ko siya. Ba't nangyari sa kanya yun? Pwede ba mangyari sa akin yun? So, did you get any bundles? What did you get? Mukhang bundle 1 kinuha mo. Hawak mo yung workbook
Bundle 1 po saka bundle 3.
May bundle 3. Ano nga ba yung bundle 3? Pasensya na.
Yung second income po.
Oh, nag-second income ka!
Bakit? Actually, yun po yung una kong binili. And then, parang out of curiosity rin na gusto ko lang din malaman yung basics. So, wala namang mawala. So, binili ko na rin po yung bundle 1. Saka baka pwede ko rin siyang gawing gift dun sa sister ko.
Wow. But you have Bundle Sweep. We're gonna meet this weekend, right? You ready?
Yes po.
You know where it is?
Yes po, ready.
Alam mo na kung saan?
Sa DMCI.
Royal Palm.
Opo.
Royal.
Yun po.
Royal Palm. Yun, basta Royal Palm.
Opo.
Okay. So I'll see you. First time meets. So,
Finally meeting you, sir.
okay. Oo nga. Tama. Kailangan natin. So, everybody, thank you very much. Say thank you to Ronnie for sharing the story. We're gonna learn more. Tama ba? Are we gonna learn more from you, Ronnie?
Yes po. About sa pain story.
Yeah, kailangan natin malaman ng pain story. Sometimes kasi you forget your own and then you remember other people's story. Nga, pareho kami. Yan. So, very important. So, dito, Joy, are you ready? Thank you so much, Ronnie, for sharing your story and why you're doing this. Very good. Pero may utang ka sa amin kasi kwento mo sa atin yung tungkol sa paglipas ng atin. One day. Hindi ngayon. Joy, are you ready? I'm talking to Joy. Yung Joy lang, hindi Joy Pangilinan. So, ready ka ba? Joy? Hello. Wala. Si Joy Pangilinan na lang. Na-promote ko na yung dalawang Joyes. They're the last to speak tonight. So Joy or Joy, whoever wants to speak first should speak now or hold their silence ba yung tawag mo na? Yun. Hi baby, sino yan?
Si Joey Pangilinan.
Hi Joey, you want to say something? Tell us your background and tell us something. Whatever you want to say.
Okay, medyo na... Paano ba mag-share dito?
Share? Sa ilalim, yung share o sa taas. Yan, sa ilalim, share screen.
Share screen, yan. Desktop. Share screen. Okay, nakikita nyo na?
Oh, yeah.
Yan. Ito na lang yung share ko.
Massage siya.
Ito yung, my name is Joey Pangilinan. Actually, OFW kami mag-asawa. Tapos, sorry, ano ba to? Paano ba to? Yan. Nakikita niyo yung Facebook page ko?
Yeah.
Yung virtual careers. Yeah, yun, sabi ko dyan, I gave out 20 copies. Because I know Jomar from a long time ago, nung hindi pa siya naging very popular and very successful. And I was already inspired before pa. Tapos, I wanted to help friends. Kasi nasa USA ako and I have friends here na alam ko na makakatulong sa kanila yung mga tinuturo ni Jomar. So I gave out 20 copies to my friends and family na sana makakita nila yung kagandahan nung program si Jomar. Pero walang nagsimula. Pero that's okay. At least na-introduce ko sa kanila. A few years back, I did join yung isa sa mga clubs ni Jomar and I did start yung pag-virtual career. And that was while I was in the US. My husband was working and I couldn't work. So ako, nagtatrabaho ako from the house. So natutunan ko yung mga affiliate marketing, yung paano maglagay ng medyo matagal na so pero in short naging parang virtual manager ako. Nag-hire ako ng mga programmers, website programmers sa Philippines through Odesk na nalaman ko rin yan through Jomar. So kumukuha ako ng clients in my area, tapos tinutulungan ko silang mag-design ng websites nila. Tapos hinahire ko yung mga tao, yung mga Filipino programmers, graphic designers from the Philippines. Tapos binubuo ko yung website ng mga clientes sa US. So ngayon, I'm back here in the Philippines and ang kwento namin mag-asawa, we're trying to build our life back here in the Philippines. from the US. So, hindi na ako makapag-work from the US. So, ngayon, I'm looking for an income na makakapag-support, makakapag-add sa sweldo ng asawa ko while he's there. So, dinignan ko ulit yung libro, binasa ko siya. Ngayon, I'm almost 3/4 ng libro ng virtual careers. Ayan, sinimulan ko siya. So, ngayon, medyo 3/4 na. And I bought bundle 4, suggestion ni Jomar. Ang struggle ko is, since I've already started yung basics nga before, tapos I don't know what to take to restart my virtual career. So, he suggested I take bundle 4. So, it was challenge to take it, still nandun yung utak ko. Ang mindset ko, ang problema ko is parang kaya ko bang kumita ng 100,000 dito sa Philippines. So, yun yung inaano ko na I'm really hoping and trusting that I can, which is I know I can. Yun lang yung confidence having Jomar with in this virtual career. I'm really hoping and na mangyari yun. While in the Philippines, yun yung yung struggle, parang kailangan mag-abroad ka pa para kumita ng 100,000. Pero I see it, I know Jomar has a lot of friends na ginagawa yun. So, I know it can happen to me too. So, yun lang yung story ko.
Galing. Question, meron ka ng Joy? Hindi ka nakakagawa ng portfolio sa Amerika nung nag-manager?
Yung sa Odesk, pero that was a long time ago. Siguro mga 7 years. Parang ganun, nagsisimula.
A blog.
Odesk pa siya doon. Could you say that again?
The blog. Nakagawa ka ng sarili mong blog? Hindi Odesk blog?
Gawa ako, pero nawala na siya kasi sandali ko lang siya, siguro mga 1 year lang. Tapos, nawala na dahil nag-work na ako sa US. Tapos, yun, nakalimutan ko na siya. So, tapos kasi nag-move kami from Arizona to Florida. So, pagdating sa Florida, parang tinry ko ulit siyang pag-aralan. So, dun ko siya actually mga 5 years lang pala. Kasi dun pa lang ako nakakuha ng mga kliyente dun sa Florida. So, yun, meron akong records nun. Kukunti lang na may mga 2-3 clients lang yun.
Actually, meron ka ng starting point na eh. Kasi referrals pa lang from previous clients. But anyway, you still need a website to show to them eh. Kasi you're not sitting in the same room. If you're not sitting in the same room kasi, mahirap mag-convince ng mga referrals. Kailangan may pakita ka sa kanila. Yeah. Even before you do. Para na-sell ka na. Yun, tama yan, bundle 4. Bundle 4, for everyone's information, it's all about back to basics. We help you get your feet started, mga basic stuff. A lot of that is mindset, a lot of that is basic skill. Na ang tawag ko basic skill, pero ang tawag ninyo techie. Yan. You can learn a lot from listening to Michael's lesson also. Yung ko sa mindset. That really helps. Okay? So, tell us about how you feel right now na magkikita tayo sa Sabado. Tama ba?
I'm trying to see you on Saturday. Kaya lang, nakakommit na ako. May feeding kami for the orphans nung Saturday. So, pero titingnan ko yung schedule nila. Kararating lang ng mga kaibigan ko. So, pero malapit ka lang sa akin. Nandito lang ako sa Pasig. So, yung
ano gagawin sa feeding of the orphans?
Yung kaibigan ko kasi birthday niya. So, mag-feed sila ng orphans. I don't know the idea, yung details pa. Pero kasi yung mga, sa awa ng Diyos, madami kong kaibigan na very generous sa mga orphans. So, yung orphanage, mga 300 orphans yata yung papakain. So, nag-volunteer ako.
Anong oras?
Maghapon daw yun eh. Pero ngayon ko pa lang siya mamimit. Kararating lang nila kagabi. So, mimit ko siya ngayon. Tatanong ko ng oras. Pero I know your meetup is at 8 to 12, diba? So,
maghapon yung pwede kang magpakita ng tanghalian.
Sige.
Siyempre.
Oo, I'll do my best na ayusin yung schedule.
Sabihin ko sa'yo, ang orphan feeding, 2 lang yan. Okay? Early morning, as in 7,
Oo.
lunch. Hindi dinner yan. Oo.
Probably early
Marami pa
morning.
yan. Mahabang pila yan bago ma-serve. So, pwede kang pumunta doon sa back to basics from 8 to 12. Kasi we end promptly at 12 and then show up for them. Kung maghapon ang sinabi niya, hindi mag-umaga. Yun, so, yun. Ganun lang
Okay.
yun.
Yeah. I will do my best.
Hindi ka organizer eh. So, you can show up in the next one if there's a next one. Anyway.
Okay.
It's your priority. Ayan, bala ko.
I'd like to meet you again. Pero,
Bala ka. Ayaw pa pumunta.
magpapakita ako.
Okay.
Oo. Ilalaga ko lang yung anak ko sa nanay ko muna.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing your story. There you have it, guys. May Ronnie, Joey as bonus, June Dens, Diane, Michael. Si Joy lang hindi nakasalita kasi I don't know, hindi siya salita. Pero thank you so much for sharing your time, your gift, your thoughts. Sobra pong importante that we know that in the success journey, there are people with us. Tama, mali. Pakisabi niyo sa chat room, you wanna know there's people with you, right? Kasi if they're with you, you know you're not alone, right? And you know, their experiences can help you. Pwede pala yun. Pwede pala yun. Pwede pala yun. Lalo na yung 100,000 a month. Ang tawag po dyan, starting point. Pag kumuha kayo halimbawa ng Instant Virtual Skills or bundle, bundle 5 or bundle 2, like what Nina got. Nina got bundle 2, by the way, for those na nagtatanong. 100,000 pesos a month is a starting point. However, you don't go there because you have the skills. Last ko lang sasabihin. Ano sabi ni Mike? Ano tinuro ni Mike? What brings you to a higher level of earning? Is it the skills lang? What is it? Sagutin nyo na lang, baby, ah. Hindi ko na sasabihin kung ano. Dapat alam nyo na. Kasi tinuturo ko sa inyo yan. So, thank you so much for joining tonight. This morning, we're going to... What are we going to do? We're going to do this again mamaya. At what time? Can you tell me what time? What is our next marathon webinar? 4 p.m. And gusto ni
Si Mama
Facebook Live. So ipa-Facebook Live natin to. So we're gonna do webinar and we're gonna do a Facebook Live. Game kayo?
Diba?
So we're gonna Facebook Live this. I don't know where I'm gonna do it. Alam niyo madali? Everybody Facebook Live ninyo yung webinar. Kaya niyo bang gawin yon? Well, all you gotta do is get a camera in front of your computer. And speaker nyo yung ano nyo. Yung cellphone nyo, lagay nyo sa lahat ng computer nyo. Tapos speaker nyo yung sound. And you can do that. So I'm gonna Facebook Live it. You're gonna Facebook Live it. It's gonna be fun. Okay? So, at ang tanong, bakit ko gagawin yon? Tanongin nyo ako dali. Bakit ko gagawin yung, bakit ko i-Facebook Live yon? Bakit? Para kumita kayo kung affiliate kayo. Yes? Kung nag-affiliate marketing kayo under me, right? You need to intrigue, everybody say, intrigue your friends or contacts. How else are you going to intrigue them if you don't show them something, right? In Facebook Live, they can't click on anything, right? They can click on your affiliate. Tama? All you have to do is read them. They don't have to buy na. Alam niyo bang all you have to do is click on your link and they don't have to buy anything because they have 1 year to decide. Because it's part of your Facebook Live. Lagay mo yung affiliate mo. Naka-reserve na sila, di ba? Naka-reserve na. For 1 year, naka-reserve na sila. If they buy using, and it's from a computer using your link, obviously, ikaw magpa-follow up sa kanila, but naka-reserve na if they buy within a year. Okay? So, I'll see you mamayang 4 o'clock. It's gonna be running on this webinar and on Facebook Live. I have to decide which one. Will I use my personal? Will I use my group? We'll find out. Thank you so much for joining. You do have until today to join the Christmas bundles. God bless. We're gonna meet Ann Christine, Nino, Yuan, Sherry, LJ, and they're gonna be answering maming 4 o'clock questions about virtual careers. What would they say if they meet with issues to virtual career during their virtual career? Meaning, yung mga tanong ang close sa kanila, may encounter nyo to. We want to know what LJ will say, what Yuhan will say, what Sher will say. They encounter these questions. Okay ba? Very excited to let you know kung ano yung sasagutin nila. Kasi at least pag na-encounter natin yung tanong na yan, masasagot na natin. Yes? So it's going to be a different webinar this afternoon at 4 p.m. You're going to know how these people think. Is that valuable? If it is valuable, please tell people to join this webinar, okay? Don't just sign up. You post this message sa Facebook ninyo, sign up and learn all about this. Now, why are you doing that? Again, para nga kumita kayo. Yes? Because if you show them something intriguing, kahit nga hindi sila mag-attend ng webinars, totoo lang, if you just intrigue them, they will click on your link, yes, and they will see what it's all about. They will not make a decision today, but you have already reserved them, yeah? With your Facebook link. So I'm actually going to show you me doing that while I say goodbye. So goodbye for now. I'm showing you my Firefox. I'm actually doing what I just told you to do. So pakita ko sa inyo how it's done. So this is my Facebook. Kinuha ko yung sign up now. In-screenshot ko yung uncovering the issues, the answers. I'm gonna get that file there. I'm gonna load it into my Facebook, my personal Facebook. It's a find out what these virtual assistant professionals. Yeah, I'm showing you what to do. That's will do when they I'm copying the title. Encounter common issues of working from home. Free live show. Also in Facebook Live. Stay tuned at 4 p.m. today. And I posted it. That's what you just do. Just copy what I did. There. Ayan na. So, nakita nyo pa yun. So, you do that. You copy my words. You don't even have to put a link because kailangan lang nila you don't have to put in sign up now. Kasi sabihin mo naka-Facebook Live. Ipa-Facebook Live mo. Kung hindi mo ipa-Facebook Live, dali mo sign up now. Okay? Let me suggest to you na for you to earn, you need to do the Facebook Live sa page mo. Okay? For you to earn. Para ikaw magsusupply ng links, hindi ako. Kasi pag ako nag-supply ng link, syempre, kiklik nila yun. Kailangan i-click nila yung link mo. Yes? So, for those of you na hindi pa sanay, mag-Facebook Live, maybe it's your first time, fail forward. It's okay. It's better to say, uy, na-try ko na yan. Nag-fail nga ako. Yeah! It's a great success story. Kesa yung, uy, na-try ko na yan. Ang galing-galing ko nga first timer. Courtney, di ba? So, thank you very much for joining. I'll see you at 4 p.m. Post this in your Facebook. And whether you earn from it or not, if you serve more people, you will get something in return. God bless, guys. See you at 4.